Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? So as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, we are doing a Lush unboxing today. So a couple of videos ago I did an unboxing for Lush. I did the June's and the July's boxing at the same time, so it was a double unboxing. I will leave the link to that in the description box below. And this is the month of August, so it does always come at the end of the month. I believe it is £35. If I'm wrong, I will leave it up here somewhere. I've got a brain like a sieve today. So what you do every month is you go online and it gives you a choice. So you can say whether you love it or you hate it. So you don't know what you're getting in the box, but you do have a couple of hints. So obviously I don't know which ones are going to win. So I don't know what's actually in here. So it is a surprise for me as well. And I'm just going to jump in, open up the box and see what I got. I just want to put a little disclaimer out here, just quickly. If you're looking at me and you're thinking that my face is looking a bit odd, you would be right. It's because I'm actually testing out 2 different foundations at the moment. So I'm batch filming today, and I am testing out the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation versus the Estee Lauder Double Wear, which I always use. This is my go-to foundation, but I'm testing both of these to see which one I think is best. So if you're looking at me thinking you look kind of weird, that'll be why. Okay, so I'm not sure which order these videos are coming out in, so I'm just going to say it in all of my videos today. But yes, I have had my lips done and I love them. I didn't think that they looked like I had them done, and I was sitting there really disappointed. I've actually booked in to see the lady again in a few weeks' time to have a top up. But now I'm thinking actually that I've got my lipstick on, they look pretty good. So I'm really pleased with them. But if I do go ahead and have that second appointment, I will be filming it. So if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, turn your notification bells on. That way, when the video is uploaded, you're going to be the first to see it. And I'm not holding anything back. I'm going to show you the full procedure. So if it's something that you've always wondered whether you should have done, but you're not too sure on it, then watch the video and make your mind up from that. So I just wanted to get that out there. That's all the disclaimers. Right, let's jump in and see what we've got inside the box. Okay, so it says 1995. I'm not going to look at the spoilers. Right, okay, so the first product, I'm going to give you a little look inside the box. That's just what it looks like. And if you didn't know, these are biodegradable, so once they get wet they just disintegrate, which I think is fantastic. So the oh, this is a big one. Oh, look at the size of that. This is called Cream Anglaise Body Lotion. Deep moisturising fair trade organic cocoa butter fills every bit of this golden body lotion to adorn you to the softest of skin. Ooh. It's like, yeah, oh my god, is it banana? Is that supposed to smell like banana? If that's supposed to smell like banana, it doesn't. Okay, so I'm going to have to look these up because they don't tell me nothing. So let me see if I can... I'm not going to do the same mistake as last time and tip it all out. Hopefully you can see that. It is yellow. It has a smell to it, but I don't quite know what I can call that. Oh, okay, so it says here, a most luxurious cream made with spicy saffron and vanilla absolute and topped off with organic almond oil, myrrh resinoid and Brazilian orange oil. Okay, not banana then. A little bit gutted that it's not banana. I love banana. It says how to use. Smooth this sumptuously scented creme brulee lotion all over your skin for soft skin and rich spiciness that lingers all day. What inside counts. Start every day the royal way by slipping on this lotion and the world's most expensive spice, saffron, within. Brighter, softer skin awaits. Good to know. Saffron has naturally stimulating and clarifying effect. The spice is a popular natural cosmetic and is used to cleanse and even the complexion, delivering a healthy glow. And this pot was made by Ben. Thanks, Ben. Oh, I can smell, it does smell more like creme brulee now that it's out of the tub and on me. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with that. And that's a big old size as well. Oh, 225 grams. So it says 1995, and I'm just now thinking, creme brulee, is that like, was that really big in the 90s? I can't remember. I was born in the 80s, grew up in the 90s, and I've just always known about creme brulee. So I don't know. We'll see as we go on. There might be other products in here, and it'll make more sense. But okay. Oh, this one looks good. Oh, that's adorable. Okay. Okay, this one is Titsy Tozy. Titsy Tossy. I'm not saying that right. I cannot be saying that right. Titsy Tossy. That's not right. Why am I having such trouble? Titsy Tossy. Toasty. It's not toasty. This is throwing me right off. Titsy Tozy. Titsy Tossy. I hope you enjoy using our anniversary collection. Maybe they will bring back memories for you, some of you, and create new ones for others. Which camp do you fall into? Enjoy, love, Whoa. Boo. This is Rue's pick. Oh, okay. No, that still doesn't make sense. 1995. Oh my God, I'm so bad at maths. And do you know what? I used to work in a bank. Not only one bank, two. They trusted me. Okay, this makes more sense now. So this is their 25th anniversary of Lush. So everything in here is from 25 years ago. It was big in 25 years ago. So that's pretty cool. Smells good. So this is a bath bomb in the shape of a heart, which is super cute. And it does have 7 different rosebuds inside, which I think is beautiful. Okay, so we've got what looks to be a shower gel. And it's called Slammer. It says, wake up before you go. This invigorating... That's tickled me. This invigorating citrus and honey mix is sure to put the boom boom into your heart and fuel any early start. So it says what's inside counts softening honey blends with local seawater from Studland Bay pool to gently cleanse sleepy skin. Good to know. Want to fast track to feeling chipper first thing? This is awakening blast of fresh lime juice and lemon oil, leaving you feeling brighter than Doris Day. Okay, let's give this a smell. Shut up. That smells amazing. Oh, what is in this? Wow, okay, I can't even begin to explain what that smells like. Now, it's called a Slammer, and am I right to think that's like the drink? Like the alcohol drink, a Slammer? I don't know. Maybe that was around 25 years ago. So it says it has inside it citrus, lime, fresh seawater, Sicilian lemon oil. I think that is what I can really smell. Oh, that smells so good. I'm putting that in my shower tonight. Okay, that was a good one. So there should be, what, 2 more? Let's see what else is in the box. What's in the box? I think I'm going a bit stir crazy. I've been filming all day. Oh, we have a bar. What's that? Okay, this is some soap and it's called Dirty Boy. But in the picture, it's brown and mine's grey. It says Lush on the side there, which is great. Yeah, it's called Dirty Boy. And it's got rapeseed oil, coconut oil, rosemary oil, lots of other things, but yeah, I've got to admit it's not my favourite that have come out of these boxes, but nevertheless I'm going to give it a try. So we have a shower smoothie and it's called Lush Lime. Get ready to feel refreshed as you scoop a little or a lot, wash over and rinse away for the perfect start to your day. What's inside counts. Trust in extra virgin olive and almond oils to moisturise and grapefruit oil to brighten and amp each lather citrusy kick. Oh, that smells really nice as well. Give it a test. Okay, it's not going to fall out. So this is what it's looking like. Oh, I'm a bit gutted there's nothing banana-y in. I'm sure that was one of the options. Maybe it just wasn't as popular as the rest. Fresh butternut squash, extra virgin olive oil, almond oil, coconut oil, fresh strawberries. Oh. Okay, yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, so that is all 5 items. So let me see if I can pick these up. Such an idiot. Why do I do these things? Right, so that is all 5 items that were in the box. So I think my favourite, am I gonna pick it? No, I'm not picking the creme brulee. I'm not. I'm gonna go with the slammer. So this one smells so good. So yes, that is definitely my favourite out of all the items that are in this month's box. So that's the end. We've come to the end. We've unboxed everything. So thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, turn your notification bells on, and I will see you guys on my next video. Mwah! Have you noticed how I've done green eyeshadow to match the box? I did that. I went there. I did colour coordinate.